What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the top 5 series. This week we're going to be covering the top 5 V8s that you can still buy in Australia in 2023 for under 10 grand. Now let's jump on in and see how many snowflakes we can upset by not putting their cars on this list.
Alright, so let's jump straight in. And grabbing the number 5 spot is the Holden Calais. We're looking like a VX VT model, but for that you're going to be getting a 5.7 litre V8, 225 kilowatts, 460 newton meters, which equates to 137.8 kilowatts per tonne. And throw a cam in and she's going to sound something like this. You can get these all over Facebook Marketplace, all over car sales. They're going to have higher kilometers, but again, any of these cars, you're probably going to be searching a little higher Ks because you're going to be spending less than 10 grand. So sometimes you got to take a bit of a loss with the win. Coming in at number 4, this car makes another appearance, the Mercedes E-Class. Now this is around a 2004 model, the E500. It's a 5 litre V8, 225 kilowatts, 460 newton meters, which is the exact same as the Calais, but this one's coming in a little bit lower, 130.4 kilowatts per tonne, so she's a bit heavier, and she's going to sound like this. Again, I feel like this car is absolutely forgotten. It's just left by the wayside. Have a look at what you can actually do to this thing. The luxury, the comfort, the sound, these things are mint. And for under 10 grand, you're just winning. You're winning every single day with this bad boy. Grabbing the number 3 spot, the lowest on the podium, but still on the podium, is the Audi A8. You're looking around a 2008 model. And it's a 4.2 litre V8 with 246 kilowatts, which is actually the most powerful out of this group, 430 newton meters and 133 kilowatts per tonne. Now, to be fair, they don't sound as good as the other ones, but if you do a little sneaky straight pipe, they can sound like this. These ones aren't as common as the last ones, but you still can get a few of these. Again, marketplace, car sales, you'll be able to find them. And I feel like this is the same as the Mercedes, really forgotten. You slam these, you put a good exhaust on them, they're full of luxury, they're comfy, they sound great, they go great. Like, it's a no-brainer, really. Coming in at the number 2 spot. This is going to be controversial because I know these cars aren't loved by all, but it's going to be the 1UZ Soarer. 4 litre V8, 1UZ FE, 194 kilowatts, 353 newton meters, and 124.4 kilowatts per tonne. Now I know a lot of people think that this is a dildo on wheels, but once you actually do the work to it, they come up good and they sound like this. These are literally everywhere for less than 10 grand. It's hard to find the 1JZ versions of these for cheap, but the V8s are still coming in really cheap, and 1UZs are forgotten about for some reason, that they can handle a lot of power. They are really over-engineered. The bottom end is strong as an ox. You can slap superchargers and turbochargers on these all day, every day, and they love it. The only reason that this one didn't come in with the number 1 is because the number 1 has a soft spot in my heart because it has just been a timeless shape, and it is the E60 BMW 545i. 4 litre V8, 225 kilowatts and 390 newton meters. And because this one's a little bit lighter, it actually comes through with the most power to weight ratio, which is 140.3 kilowatts per tonne. And guys, listen to this bad boy. You can get that for less than 10 grand. Are you serious? Are you serious? Yeah, less than 10 grand. And it's going to sound that good. No, it's not an M5, but damn, does it still sound good. You can get the 540 or you can get the 545i, both V8s, and you are going to love it. Like, look at the stylings of this thing. Just absolutely timeless. Now guys, I hope you've enjoyed this. This is part 2 of a 5-part series. I've got a few more of these coming out, different models, different things. Hopefully you enjoy this one and the ones to come. But thank you for coming along. If you have liked, please subscribe, jump in the comments and have a chat with everyone. And I'll see you all in the next one. See you guys.